Eat an avocado a day and your belly fat melts. Sounds magical, right? In the next 4 minutes, we'll separate hype from what the science actually shows. If you're trying to shrink belly fat, especially the deeper visceral fat around your organs, this is for you. You'll get a clear verdict on avocados, how to use them smartly, and the one mistake that cancels their benefits. Spot reduction is a scam. Quick truth, your body doesn't burn fat from one spot on command. So belly fat foods and ab melting hacks oversell reality. Fat loss is systemic. A calorie deficit plus movement dictates where your body taps stored fat and when. That's why a single food, no matter how super, can't laser target visceral fat. So what does the biggest avocado study actually show? That's next. In a large randomized trial, in the HAT trial, over 1,000 adults with bigger waists ate one large avocado daily for 6 months, measured visceral fat by MRI. Result: no significant drop in visceral fat or weight from avocados alone. Small cholesterol dips, yes. Magic belly fat melt? No, avocados aren't a magic shortcut for visceral fat. Then why do some people still swear by them? Here's the useful part. Avocados bring monounsaturated fat and roughly about 10 g fiber per medium fruit. That combo helps you feel fuller, steadies post-meal swings, and can crowd out refined carbs or saturated fats. Used as a swap, not an add-on, they can make it easier to stay in a calorie range where fat loss happens. Think avocado replacing mayo, cream-based dressings, or a refined carb side. Avocados can indirectly help via smarter swaps and better satiety. But there's a catch almost nobody mentions, the catch that kills progress. They're calorie dense, about approximately 240 calories per medium avocado. Two a day on top of your usual meals can wipe out your deficit. Keep portions intentional. Half to one medium fruit when it replaces lower quality calories. Pair with protein and veggies and move your body, walk, strength, or whatever you'll stick with no spot reduction. The big study shows no special belly fat drop from avocados alone. They can help indirectly when used as smart swaps, but calories still count. How to make avocado work for you? What's your avocado habit? A. Daily. B. A few times a week. C. Rarely. D. Never, too pricey, or not my taste. If this saved you from diet hype, subscribe for more facts in under 5 minutes.